Hey guys, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we're going to be making pork chops, but we're going to be making them nice, simple, easy, fast. Okay, nothing complicated. We're going to season them quickly. We're going to fry them, pan fry them really quickly. We're going to turn on this stove and we're going to pan fry them really quickly. Then we're going to let them cook in a little bit of liquid and until they're fully cooked, and that's it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Don't blink or you might miss it. Okay, so don't blink. All right, here we go. We've got the pork chops. These are center cut. I've got 5 of them in here, and they've been soaking about 20 minutes in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So I'm going to throw this out. Okay, the first thing we're going to season them, let me just wipe my hands real quick, is going to be with a little bit of adobo. Okay, my hands are clean, nice and clean, so I'm going to be using my hands, even though I really don't want to because I'm a little sensitive to the garlic. Let's see, maybe I'll use a fork for now. Okay, and we're going to use a little bit of poultry seasoning. This is, I'm using a different one today, poultry seasoning Southern Blend. And it has very, very little salt in it. 80 milligrams per quarter teaspoon. Okay, and oregano. Okay, about a half a teaspoon. A little bit of sazon. Sazon is just to give it color. Okay, some garlic that I mashed between a piece of inside a piece of parchment paper. Okay, and I feel like I needed more garlic, but this will do for now. All right, so we're gonna just turn these over so we can season the other side. Okay, there you go. And again, same thing. Again, on the other side, we've got sazon. Poultry seasoning. A little bit more. Some oregano. And a little bit of sazon on this side also for color. Okay, we're going to just make sure everything gets soaked in, mixed in. Our oil is heating up. And what we're going to do is pan fry them quickly. So we can just get the, it's, start the cooking process. Otherwise, if we're gonna cook them in liquid, they'll take a really long time. And if you're like me, you like your pork chops nice and tender. So, okay, there you go. Let's see if the oil is hot yet. Nope, not yet. We're gonna give it a little bit more time. And I think I've got it on too low. Okay. In the meantime, I can add a little bit more garlic to this. So I took the opportunity to add a little bit more garlic. one additional clove. I mashed it up. Okay, to the pork chops. Our oil should be hot enough by now. Okay. So we're going to let that fry and get seared on both sides. And after that, we're going to come back and finish cooking them. Okay, so let's check and see if they're browning up pretty nicely, and they are. So we're going to flip them over so they can fry on the other side. This is a very quick, fast process. So guys, if you're still with me and you're new to this channel, first time visiting, please remember to hit the subscription button. Doesn't take any time at all to subscribe to this channel. If you like what you're seeing, just hit the subscribe button, and like that you'll be notified of any future posts that I make, any future videos. And for those of you that have been here before, welcome back, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, a few more minutes and we'll add some liquid so they can continue to cook. Okay, so we're going to drain the oil from the pork chops. Okay, so we're going to drain as much as we can. Alright. Okay, so that's browned enough, which is good. So our cooking time will be shorter. And I mean, if they're fully cooked now, if you want to have them now, it's perfectly fine. But I like for mine to just cook a little bit longer. You can see the fork is going right through them. So they're pretty much cooked, but I'd rather have mine cook a little longer in some liquid, so I'm going to add some liquid in here. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. Let me just put the heat up. Okay, so we can create a little bit of sauce in there. Okay. And we're going to let this come to a boil so they can finish cooking. Okay, so they've come to a boil, so we're going to cover them with a lid and just leave them there to simmer. We're going to lower the heat. And we're going to let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Okay guys, it looks like the pork chops are done. So I'm going to turn them off. Okay, let's see. Oh, nice and tender. just cut a piece right here. I'm going to taste this. Nice and soft. Hot. Nice and tender, delicious. I'm going to have this with a little bit of rice. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Guys, to make this, it goes very fast. You season, you pan fry, and you let it cook in a little bit of liquid for a few minutes, and you're done. You got the delicious tasting pork chops. Thumbs up.